to live for Him, to live and do great things. The millennial generation in particular is struggling with, is this all my life is going to be? Going to the same job over and over and over and over again. It's when you surrender your life to God, when you surrender everything you have to God, when you have faith in God, you start to begin to see what God has created you to become. You start to see that no matter what, let's be honest, sometimes it's weird believing that you're meant to be great because you don't see it in your own life. How can you possibly say that I'm meant to do great things when my life is crashing down? There's one thing that every product on the face of the earth has in common. It's meant to solve a problem.